Yeah.
We were actually just in Singapore.
Yeah.
And then we were in Jakarta. And we were also in Bangkok, and our last stop is here in the Philippines.
Well, let me know if you're ready to roll.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, mabuhay, welcome back. Ano na, life is lifing. You know?
Life is lifing.
Oh!
Yes.
Eh. Yeah, kamusta naman? Dahil yung, trending TikTok songs din, ha?
I know. Yung rock that
body.
Exactly.
Come on, rock that body.
Exactly.
Talaga.
So, I've actually been doing that sa concerts namin.
Yeah.
Like, where I, like, put the phone up and then have the crowd sing with me. But then I'm really excited to do that here in the Philippines.
Oh, wow.
Tomorrow sa Mall of Asia Arena. Yeah.
And how's the homecoming like?
Oh my gosh, it feels like a full circle moment because this is where everything started. This is where I got discovered po sa The Voice Philippines by Apple. So now I'm
2013.
Damn, it's been that long?
Yeah, more than a decade.
15.
Like 12 years.
That's crazy.
I'm not good in math, but 12 years.
Yes, 12 years. It's been 2013, yes. So it feels like a homecoming. My family's coming tomorrow. My friends, my neighbors that saw me grow up.
Totoo ba? Sa Laguna?
Coming. Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Totoo, pupunta yung mga taga Laguna.
200 relatives coming, so...
Lugi pala eh!
Exactly. I actually had to buy my own tickets for our concert.
I'm sure, because
yeah,
buong barangay.
But it's like a proud moment for my family po and my dad as well. So
what's your barangay ba?
Pasita Complex.
Oh, yun pala. Pasita Complex darating.
Yep, yeah.
Oo.
Taga saan ka?
Manila.
Okay.
Yes.
Manila.
Yeah, Manila. Novaliches. Oh,
okay.
yeah, represent.
Nice.
Yeah, but really, we're just so proud of you because you've been all over. You're having your moment. And grabe, no? Parang surreal. Nakita ko nga, parang we were talking about, nasa bahay ka ni may-ari ng Louis Vuitton.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh!
Yes.
Napanood ka ni Beyonce.
I know. It feels like a dream. I'm living the dream. Let's just say that. I'm really blessed, living the dream. And, there's a lot more stuff that I want to accomplish, but I'm really grateful. And my heart is full of gratitude.
Do you FaceTime someone in the Philippines talking about, hey, Beyonce just watched me?
Oh my God.
What?
Oh my God. When that happened, I literally cried for a week. I cried for a week, and this was the first time where I was actually texting the guys like Will, Apple, and Taboo. I was like, guys, sobrang salamat. Like, thank you so much for, for believing in me, because I grew up watching Beyonce.
Oh yeah.
I watched all her videos, and the fact that she was able, the first time I'm meeting her, she's seeing me perform is just like mind blowing. So it was like a crazy moment.
Oh my God.
Moment, yeah.
What was the best lesson you learned, upon going to that stage? The biggest names are watching you, even the biggest of the biggest fans of Black Eyed Peas, and now J. Ray. Hey, what's going through your mind when that happens?
What's going through my mind when that happened?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Like, just dreams do come true. Like, when you believe in yourself and you keep going, like, dreams really come true.
Ano sasabi sa'yo ni Apple? Lalo na syempre, dati coach mo siya,
I
ngayon
know.
co-league mo? What?
Still coach. He's still like a big
Para
brother.
kuya?
Kuya talaga.
Oh.
As I always call him coach, because every time people ask me like, oh, why do you call him coach? Why don't you call him by his name? I'm like, no, like
Can't.
I can't.
Para
do that.
kuya.
Exactly. We're Filipinos. So it was like one of the things that was like a culture shock for me when I moved to LA is like they don't like say kuya or tito or but he would hate me if I call him tito. So I just call him coach. No tito, coach Apple.
Grabe.
Yeah.
Are you still in touch with your batchmates in The Voice, like Morissette?
I mean, I am in touch with my teammates, which is Team Apple.
Yes.
But I miss everybody. I miss Morissette and Moira, and I hope I could see them soon.
Oh,
yeah.
wow, yeah.
But yeah, Team Apple, we're really tight. Every time like I'm in the Philippines, we like go out, have dinners and stuff like that. But yeah, I would love to like see my The Voice friends again.
Kamusta yung buhay mo sa road? Like, sa tour, di ba? Kasi rockstar, parang popstar, di ba? Parang Hannah Montana ba ito?
Hannah Montana.
Di ba? Parang talagang,
Minsan, pwede.
di ba? Di ba? Like a simple girl from Laguna, and
Yeah.
now, you're rocking Monaco, you're rocking all the biggest stages in the world.
Mm-hmm. Kamusta? Again, it's like living the dream, mahirap because every day, like different hours, jet lag,
Oo.
different countries.
Iba rin.
Like itong back-to-back shows namin, it's like
Oo.
it's tiring talaga. Pero like I'm just like grateful that I get to like
Pinush.
do what I love, and God blessed me with it, so I'm like here to just enjoy it.
And I'm sure nung bata ka, lagi ka nakikinig ng Black Eyed Peas at laging pinapakanta sa'yo yun nung,
Yeah.
di ba, na nagko-contest,
Yeah.
etc. Like, now you're actually part of it, and I know Fergie parang pass the baton. How was that moment?
Which moment?
Yung pinas niya yung baton sa'yo na, di ba?
Oh my
Like
God.
2020, it was really announced. It's
Yeah.
for real.
Yeah, but when that happened, I actually started performing with the guys back in 2018
18.
in Romania. Our first show was like in front of 100,000 people.
I do remember
My
that.
first show with them. So it was
100,000.
like first show. So
Wow,
wala man lang
But
warm
kasi,
up.
oo.
Yeah, but
Hindi girl, kumanta ka na.
exactly. They were like, "Oh, do you know Black Eyed Peas songs?" I'm like, "Yeah." They're like, "Okay, come to the show with us." And I was like, when Black Eyed Peas ask you to sing with them, you don't say no. So I just did that. And then Fergie has been really supportive. I remember like she actually like sent me a really sweet message,
Oh, wow.
sending me some love and best wishes on this journey. Yeah.
Black Eyed Peas is like a family.
I know it is. It is.
Right?
Yeah.
And grabe yung legacy niya because from the elder generation, millennials, ganon, diba? Now, up
Wait,
until...
you look 28. What are you talking about?
What? Naka-record to! Oo. Yeah, you too. 24?
27.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love it.
Same
Diba?
age.
I know. Wait, so wala bang generational bump? Kasi di ba mga tito mo na nga sila?
Meron, because they actually act like my big brothers. You know?
Oh!
But in the beginning, Apple was acting more of a dad. And then, yeah, he was more of a dad, I remember. But then now he's more like lenient na.
Oo,
Mas okay
na-trust ka na niya.
Trust, I was like, oh, okay, trust Jessica.
Paano yun
and
pag
her
ano,
judgment.
I'm sure type ka ng mga ibang mga stars.
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh my
Paano yun? Lalo na backstage, kayo-kayo lang yan, VIP.
Yeah, actually, sila yung malaking protectors talaga. Very protective sila. And I remember one time there was this artist that I was gonna meet, and I was really excited. I'm like, oh my God, I'm so excited to meet this artist. And then Apple's like, you're never gonna meet him. I was like, why? He's like, no, because he's not a good guy. I'm like, oh, okay. So yeah, I have big brothers and protectors that that looks out for me. So I'm blessed with that.
Drop the name. Just kidding.
I can't drop the name.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, I know. That was a joke.
Not like a bad guy, more like
I
a
know.
player.
I know. Of course, rock star, pop
Exactly.
star, hip hop star.
Exactly.
I
so
know.
they're just protecting me.
That's
I'm their
so
little
cute.
sister.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
But do you explain to them, like, when this became a trend, the rock your body? Hey, it's now. Were you the
Exactly.
one to tell them,
I
guys,
had to,
we're trending?
I'm the one on TikTok, so I told them, I'm like, hey, it's trending, so we need to like add this to the set list. So I'm really excited to sing that to our show in Mall of Asia Arena tomorrow, and I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna grab my TikTok, my phone, and then film everybody singing "Rock That Body" with me.
Oh my gosh! What's next for you? Like, I know one of your songs, you reached 500 million,
Yes.
streams on Spotify. How's the process of song making like?
Oh my gosh. I mean, I have many, many songs. I've been like working on my solo project ever since I moved to LA. But, and then it so happened that they needed a new female singer in the group. And, again, you don't say no when Black Eyed Peas asks you to do that. So I put like my solo stuff on hold. And then now, Will is executive producing my album. I signed to Sony Epic Records, and we are putting out more singles for me soon.
Oh, congrats!
Thank you so much.
Do you plan to collab with anybody yet?
Oh yes, there's collabs. Yeah,
Oh,
there's collabs definitely.
Who are you listening to right now in the Philippines? Or is there anyone?
What am I listening to right now?
Yeah, pero yung mga
Actually-
Filipino, kung meron lang.
This guy, he sings really deep Tagalog songs. Like
Okay.
this guy,
JK? Dilamaki?
JK is great as well. You know, oh diba like that song. Apple and I always sings that song.
Oh,
when we
okay.
see
But
something.
you can't say that on TV. Just kidding. The
The
P.
guy who sang Marilad.
Yeah, Dionella.
Dionella,
Yeah.
yeah, he's really nice as well. Yeah.
But ang galing no kasi parang dalawang Filipino na kayo sa isang global award-winning band. And parang ang dami nyo pang ino-open na doors din. Do you feel like, that's something that is appealing to you also to
Of
do what
course.
Apple has been doing?
Definitely. It's always about paying it forward. So I would also love to like put on somebody, you know. So yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Maraming
you. Maraming
salamat. But thank you for
salamat.
all the support.
Oh,
Thank
ano
you.
nami-miss mo pala sa from
Food.
Laguna? Puto.
Honestly,
Buko pie.
Buko pie, yeah, exactly.
Correct.
Honestly, I just landed, right? And then
Uh-huh.
my family knows that I love Filipino food. So my dad is literally cooking me bangus right now. Inihaw na bangus.
Sarap.
Exactly. So the Filipino food is what I miss the most.
I love it. Thank you. Thank
Maraming
you.
salamat po. Thank
Bangus
you
pala
so
favorite na. Wala bang milk